Hello web developers, let's create a new project that is password generator. This is very exciting project for you because everyone are using in every project this type of project. Okay, this is a small part of any major project to create a password generator. Okay, if you want to generate password, you can click on this generate password button. So we have a password that are created through capital letters and small letters, and if you want to include numbers in it, you can include that. So here we have number also, like that. If you want to add symbols also, so you can add symbols. Just click on a this button. So we have symbols also in this password. Okay, so this is a unique password for anyone. Okay, if you want to copy this, you can copy through this. Okay, this is copied. Okay, so this is our password generator. So let's build this by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay friends, now we are in VS Code and let's create a folder for our project. Our project name is password generator, and create a file inside this that is index.html. Okay, go inside this file and write our program. First create a basic boilerplate of HTML and change this title and write here password generator. Okay, okay. Inside this body, we create first a div class box with class box and write h2 tag for title that is password generator. Okay, and run this project on a live server. Go live. Okay, so we can see here we have a title. Okay, now this is fine. You can see any update when we write in this program. Update, sorry, input type is text and id password, and read only placeholder your password. Okay, so this is input box for our password. Then create a div with class name optional options. Okay, then create a label, and inside this label we're gonna create a input that is type checkbox and id numbers, and right here include numbers. Then create this type of input box again with label include symbols and checkbox, and id is symbols. Okay, symbols. Then create a button, and you can create a on click function when you need on JavaScript. Okay, generate password. Okay, then create one more button that is copy. Okay, we have two buttons for generate password and one for copy. And now create a CSS that is style.css. Okay, and link this CSS with our HTML program. Link this link style.css. Okay, तो हमारी CSS लिंक हो चुकी है. अब CSS का हम प्रोग्राम राइट करेंगे यहाँ पे, जो होगा हमारा go to body tag and font family is Arial, and display flags, justify content center, align item center, sorry, align item center, and height कितना लेंगे 100 bh, and background is f4. That's good. Then box background white and padding 30 pixel, sorry, not 3 pixel, let's take it 30 pixel. And border radius is 10 pixel. and text align center and width 300 pixel and box shadow is 10 pixel and RGBA 0, 0, 0.1. Okay, the shadow is provided. Now go to input. Type equal to text. Provide style for this. Width is 90% and padding is 8 pixel and margin 10 pixel and 0 and text align center and font size is 16 pixel. Now create a button that is padding 10 pixel, width 100% and border none, background is 28A745 and color of text that is white and cursor pointer. मार्जिन बॉटम भी ले लेंगे या मार्जिन टॉप ले लेते हैं. मार्जिन टॉप is 10 pixel या 5 pixel जो भी आपको लेना हो. Then let's take border radius is 5 pixel. Fine. Now next button hover background 212188 and 38. That's it. Move to next one, that is options. Text align center your left, margin 10 pixel and 0. Okay, fine. This is our UI. Now create a script.js file that is for JavaScript functional program. So add this in our HTML also. So script src and write your file name script.js. Okay. Now we are in JavaScript. So write our JavaScript program. So create a function generate let characters equal to define your character A B C D till Z E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z and in caps also A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, let's define characters. After that, let numbers. So numbers from 0 to 1. Write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then use semicolon. For symbols, let symbols equal to add your symbols. Okay, these are our symbols that we're gonna add in our password. If document dot get element by ID is numbers and dot checked ID numbers. Dot checked go inside this and characters plus equal to numbers. So we add here characters with numbers. If document dot get element by ID, this ID that is symbols and that is checked. If this is checked, characters प्लस इक्वल टू हो जाएगा symbols. Okay, symbols is also added in it. Let password equal to password is equal to, और ये हमने जनरेट ऑन क्लिक फंक्शन अभी क्रिएट नहीं किया है, तो ऑन क्लिक फंक्शन यहाँ पे बटन में क्लिक कर लेंगे जनरेट के लिए. ऑन क्लिक, ऑन क्लिक, दैट इज जनरेट, और एक कॉपी के लिए करेंगे तो होगा ऑन क्लिक. इसको क्या ले लेते हैं, कॉपी, सिंपल. अरे यार, कॉपी. तो हमने ऑन क्लिक फंक्शंस क्रिएट कर लिए हैं. देन पासवर्ड को हम पासवर्ड के अंदर स्टोर कराएंगे. ओके, देन फोर लेट I equal to 0, I is less than 10, and I plus plus go inside this. And password 10 डिजिट का होने वाला है हमारा, 10 से लेस, और 0 से स्टार्ट होगा हमारा इंडेक्स. एंड पासवर्ड प्लस इक्वल टू हो जाएगा कैरेक्टर्स मैथ डॉट फ्लोर, मैथ डॉट रैंडम का यूज़ करेंगे. रैंडम नंबर जनरेट, रैंडम नंबर्स जनरेट करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय कैरेक्टर्स डॉट लेंथ. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई बाय कैरेक्टर्स लेंथ. देन document dot get element by id, that is password dot value equal to password. Now create a function for copy. Copy, let password equal to document dot get element by id, and id हमने क्या लिया है, पासवर्ड, पासवर्ड के लिए. और पासवर्ड डॉट select, selected, या select only, pass dot select, why it is selecting, extra what, select only, document dot x command, exe command for copy, semicolon, and give alert, that is copied. Okay, select करेगा, copy कर देगा, और हमें alert show कर देगा copied. Okay, so this is all over our JavaScript program for this project. Okay, now let's check is it working or not. So generate a random password with only characters, capital letters and small letters. Now include numbers, so it is including numbers. Okay, now include numbers and symbols both, so it is including that. Okay, you can copy this also, so copied. Okay, so this is all over our password generator by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful for you.